Welcome back, everybody, to night 10 of 12 nights of Beast Mode Christmas camping.
All right. All right. So, recap. Tonight's night 10.
Give me a recap.
Okay. Night 9, we had the little burner thingy that you put on top of the little cooker burner thingy.
Little
that was
1
really
inch
cool.
stove.
Freaking awesome. So that was 9. Night 8 was the my trip to the emergency room with the 9 million Scoville gummy bear. 7 was the torch. Very cool. The strike torch, yes. 6 was the LED lantern. The night 5 was your trip to the emergency room with the.
That's 2 for 2 on emergency room.
I'm telling you, man. So 5, that was the what are it called? Truth or Dab, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then 4 was the walkie-talkies. 3 was the fireside chat card game.
Breaker 1-9.
Oh, yeah, I got mine down there. And then night 2 was the hot toddies. All right.
Alabama Slammer.
Mm-hmm. And then, of course, night 1 was the holiday flames, which are licking right now. We just threw that in there. Night 10, what do we got?
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Pretty sure I already know where it is. Boom.
Ooh.
That's a night 10.
Okay.
It feels like
It looks
something
soft.
wearable.
Looks like it's soft.
Maybe it's a bag of flour. That's a bag of flour, Steve.
Are you sure that's not 01?
I don't want to be in trouble. Don't get me in trouble. Hey, if that's a bag of flour, we can make pizza.
All right, yeah. Oh, cool.
That would have been nice.
Yeah,
Night
a couple
4.
nights ago when we had to go to the emergency room. Okay, cool. It looks like it's a
First aid kit.
a bug out bag style first aid kit.
And yeah, that would have been nice if it had some kind of mouth protectant.
Or something to pump your stomach,
Yeah,
maybe.
exactly.
All right, cool. Look at this. Just how bad A is it? Oh yeah, look at all this stuff.
What all we got in there?
Man, there's a ton of stuff in here. All your bandages, swabs, alcohols, iPads in case you want to pretend you're a pirate. Got your emergency blankets, gloves, tweezers.
And I think one of the reasons she's getting us that and the walkie-talkies is because of all the dumb stuff we do
Yeah.
while we're camping. So, hey,
You can
and if
never-
you guys haven't seen popcorn,
Yeah.
just search on our site for popcorn, see
Yeah.
if that one comes up.
There's a little book in here in case you're too dumb to figure out how to put on a Band-Aid. There's stuff to make...
Are there directions on how to put on a Band-Aid?
Yeah, there are. There's all kinds of little... What the hell is that? Ooh, we might have to do a whole review just on all this stuff. Tape and bandages and just all kinds of
Well,
crap,
yeah,
man.
so we may need to go back and
Yeah,
ask
this
Dana, hey,
is-
where'd you get it? How much? Oh, actually,
Oh, look at this.
she did give me a printout, so we'll have to put that in the description.
An instant cold compress. I guess what, you break it like a stick and it gets cold real fast?
I bet.
That's cool. Don't break it. Okay, yeah, cool. Yeah, lots of good stuff in there.
Yeah, I forgot. She did give us the description, so we'll put that in the description below.
Cool. Yeah, we can.
Cool.
You can never have too much first aid equipment. I can tell you that, especially when you're in beast mode. Thank you,
All right.
Dana.
Thanks, babe.
Night 10.
All right, everybody.
Beast mode.
That was night 10 of the 12 nights of Beast Mode Christmas camping. Come back tomorrow for night 11.
Night 11, it's almost over.
Ah, why'd you have to say that?
Sorry.
Oh.